So the second, China passed a new land law. China's legislature has adopted a new border law to take effect on January 1 that calls on the state and military to safeguard territory and combat any acts. They undermine China's territorial claims. Yes, sir, next slide. The law was first proposed in March this year, a year into tensions that erupted along the line of actual control (LAC) with India after the People's Liberation Army (PLA) mobilized two divisions in forward areas and carried out multiple transitions. China has unresolved the border disputes with India and Bhutan. The new land law, observers said, would formalize some of China's recent actions in dispute territories with both India and Bhutan, including the PLA's massing of troops in forward areas along the Indian border, multiple transitions across the LAC, and the construction of new frontier villages along the border with Bhutan. Yes, sir, next slide. The legislature, which is largely ceremonial in China and controlled by the ruling Communist Party, on Saturday voted to adopt a new law on the protection and exploitation of the country's land border areas. The official Xinhua news agency said. The law stipulates that the sovereignty and the territorial integrity of the People's Republic of and are sacred in inviolable. The text said, adding that the state shall take measures to safeguard the territorial integrity and land boundaries and guard against the combat any act that undermines territorial sovereignty and land boundaries. So next slide. It also calls the state to take measures to strengthen border defense, support economic and social development, as well as opening up in uh, border areas, improve public services and infrastructure in such areas, encourage and support people's life and work there, and promote coordination between border defense and social economic development in border areas. Yes, sir, next slide. So the third one is Taliban Food for Work Scheme. The Taliban's 2 month program aims to distribute more than 60,000 tons of wheat across Afghanistan in exchange for jobs as the country gears up to face a harsh winter. Yes, the next slide. So next slide. Afghanistan's Taliban government has launched a program to tackle hunger, offering thousands of people wheat in exchange for labor. The scheme will be rolled out around Afghanistan's major towns and cities and employ 40,000 men in the capital alone. The Taliban's chief spoken said at a press conference in Southern Kabul and Sunday. This is important step for fighting unemployment. Zabiullah Mujahid said, adding the laborers must work hard. The Taliban Food for Work scheme will not pay laborers, targeting those who are currently unemployed and most at risk for starvation during the winter. Yes, the next slide. So the next point is jobs for wheat. The 2 month program will see 11,600 tons of wheat distributed in the capital with about 55,000 tons for elsewhere in the country, including Herat, Jalalabad, Kandahar, Mazar-e-Sharif, and Pul-e-Khorni. Work for the laborers in Kabul will include digging in water channels and uh, catchment terraces for snow in the hills to combat drought. Mujahid and the other senior officials, including Agriculture Minister Abdul Rahman Rashid and Kabul Mayor Hamdullah Nomani, cut a pink ribbon and dug a small ditch at a ceremony in the rural rich core area of the capital to launch the program. Afghanistan, which is already suffering from poverty, drought, electricity blackouts, and a failing economic system, is now facing the onset of what may be a harsh winter. It's the next slide. So thank you for giving us a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.